Right, back we go. The market is closed. It is March 3rd. And we are back. So I'm seeing this. All right. So, NASDAQ was down pretty big today. Looking at some different stocks. A lot of stocks are in a downtrend right now. Where are they going to bounce? Anytime stocks pull back in a market that's going up is always good. So 114 million float, 44% institutional ownership, 311 million market cap. For drilling, attractive small cap as crude oil trends higher. They do offshore drilling worldwide, oil and gas industry. This thing dropped from 9, had a few bounces. Now we're in this channel here. See this? You dropped 40 cents up. The 120 came back down. Now we're bouncing up again. So looks like we have a trend line. Could this fall to about $1, maybe a little below? Yes, I think that's what's going to happen. You're very oversold here. 6.43 is a great time to get in at this point. But, it could still go lower. So you got to be careful. Here, and all my videos too, I say, I'm pointing out by sell levels where to look for. If I say, oh, right here looks good to buy at one, doesn't mean I'm saying just go jump in and buy it. I'm pointing this out. And if you understand the stocks, you understand what I mean. So when you see this trend line, you say, oh, that makes sense. It could hold here. I don't want people just lose their money just on I'm saying buy here or there. I see a lot of gurus do this. I'm just pointing out a lot of technicals, buy, sell levels. You have to make the determination, what you see, and then, go from there exactly. So technical analysis, everyone that knows it understands it. It's just a matter of when to, apply them principles to these charts, like what you're looking at exactly. So a lot of people don't understand. Doesn't mean, oh, he said buy here. I'm not. You got to do your own due diligence. No one, any chat room, anything, you really can't follow anyone. We can just guide you. That's it. I'm just giving you a guide. That's all it is. I'm not a financial professional as far as I don't have a license or anything. You know, so I don't want people to get hurt that way. But distributing information, there's nothing wrong with the business of information. There's nothing wrong with that. All right. So here's Bloor. So watch that move here at 1. If this goes lower, watch 90 cents. And then you want this to go back up to that near that 160 level. So we'll see if this happens on that. GTT, let's check that out. $42 million float, 71% institutional ownership. Provides a cloud networking services, enterprise carriers, government customers, United States, Europe, internationally. Yeah, this is on a big downtrend. I keep seeing this wedge though. See this? You're getting a tightening wedge, falling wedge. You could say that it's at a 1084, very oversold here. Now this looks like a hammer candle right here through 175. This comes up. Yeah, we could work our way back up to 450 eventually. It could take a few weeks. It's a matter of this holds. You want this level to hold. If not, you could drift lower. So watch that level here. Big volume coming in too. So it's an interesting setup here. When you're at these lows, see these lows, it bounces each time. It could bounce up pretty good if we get some news or something like that. All right, INPX, 42 million float, 95 million market cap. It provides big data analytics, location-based products, related services worldwide. Now this had a move here. See this falling wedge, big wedge, and it came out of. So that's done now. We went up from that. Now you have a move upward. See this? Right here, you move up. There's a high. Here's your low at 1. And now we went up to 225, almost 275. Now we're coming down. And look at this hammer. You're trying to hold this 125. If that doesn't hold, right back to 1. And 1, if you fall back, that could be a great buy. Possibly from all these trend line moves here, it could be a very solid buy. So I'd watch that. This goes to here, then you'll eventually work your way back up, eventually up to here. It could be weeks at this point, maybe next month. So you have a gap to fill here. We'll see if that happens above 150 plus. And yeah, 1341, so it's extremely oversold. Look at every time we've been oversold. Just look back. Here, bounced, bounced, bounced again. Right here, bounced. So it might take time. So I might dive deeper and come to this one level. So watch them levels on this stuff. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim Trades. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank98. Stock Twits, Mike Kim Trades. YouTube, subscribe, like, leave comments. It's always helpful. Peace.